Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, My Kinda Art, and for today's video, just like I promised in the video before, I'm going to show you guys how to use RedBubble, print-on-demand website where I used to sell my artwork and try and earn some passive income on the side. And hopefully this helps you guys as artists put your artwork up there and make some passive income. I'm going to show you all the step-by-step process that I use to put my artwork on there from traditional to digital and set it up there. And it's one of those, it's really easy to do depending on what type of software you have, like Adobe Illustrator, Photoshop, and one of my personal favorites is Affinity Photo, which you might not have heard of, but I'm going to show you guys the way that I do it, and it's really easy to do. So let's get to it. And if you're new to my channel, consider hitting the like button, as this will help my channel grow. Thank you so much. All right, we're going to go ahead and open RedBubble. Click on your icon, go to add new work. And you have two options. You can upload new work or copy an existing work. And this is one of my favorites because I like to use every hashtag that I can, and it makes filling things in a lot easier. But to make it easy, I'm just going to go ahead and go to upload new work. Select the one that you need. And you need a title, tags, and description. So what I recommend is describing the artwork that you have in somewhat detail and specific words. And the most important thing is using the hashtags. And this is really important because when people search for things on Redbubble or on Google, this is what's going to pop up. And one of the things that you can do is search for things that are similar to your artwork that you're uploading. And that's really going to help determine what's the most popular and what's most likely to pop up when people are searching for your artwork as well. So in this case, I'm just going to type in baile, dance, Mexican fiesta, and baile folclórico. As for the description section, you can go into more detail of what your artwork is about. You can type in what it's made out of, what program, the colors. While also using specific words that are most likely to be found when people are searching on Redbubble and Google. Now the next step is the product previews, and this is really easy. You're able to enable them and edit individual products. You can go ahead and scale, rotate your pattern, your artwork in any way that you wish, and you can preview it. This makes it really easy to know how things are going to look for the buyers and anyone who's just looking through Redbubble and the product that they want to purchase. Now, because I have been doing this for a long time, the thing that I do recommend when it comes to using an artwork that has a pattern in it is to just stretch it out a bit more past the bleeding area, and this ensures that it won't be cut off in any weird way. The media section, all you have to do is choose what type of media it is. So I'm just going to choose design and illustration and painting and mixed media. And then also if you created collections in your page, you can go ahead and add them there. So I put it into the Mexican culture art and the painting section. And for everyone to see it, make sure the anybody and public is on, or you can put it on private. If you're still not done editing it, you can always come back and then putting it to public so it's viewable for everyone. And then just make sure you click the arrow that this is your own artwork and it's not copywritten, and that's it. It really is that simple, you guys. And now everything is ready. I'll be going back to adding a lot more hashtags to make it easier for people to find on Google and anything when they're also on RedBubble as well. And another great tip for all your social medias is if you go back to the Manage Portfolio section, you can go ahead and individually promote any of your artworks and products. This raises the chances of people actually buying your work, and that's exactly why we're here. Alright, so here's a quick look at my page on RedBubble. So I'm going to my account, Manage Portfolio, and here you can see all my collections of everything that I've done. And these are mainly my Mexican culture inspired drawings, paintings, graphic design, and patterns. So that was it. What did you guys think of using RedBubble and how easy it is to do? I promise you this is the most intuitive print-on-demand websites that you can use. And one of the next steps that I'm going to show you guys that's a bit more involved, but I've made it as simple as possible, is how to create a seamless pattern so that you can upload it here. And what I'm going to be using is Affinity Photo, which is more of a substitute for people who don't want to spend a monthly subscription fee for Adobe Illustrator or Adobe Photoshop, which can be really, really expensive. But I will also do a Adobe Photoshop one as well in the future. So thank you guys so much for watching and stay tuned.